Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.
A five-star Biltmore hotel located in the center of Tbilisi declares that the occupancy rate of the hotel amounts to 60%. As Mariam Kutateladze, sales director of the hotel, told BMWG, the occupancy rate of Biltmore has decreased compared to the same period of the last year. Today, the occupancy rate of the hotel is 60%, which is about 400 nights less compared to the same period of the year. So the occupancy rate has decreased by about 9 percentage points. Mariam Kutateladze said. Biltmore traditionally receives guests from different countries. Israel takes the first place by the number of visitors, followed by the Emirates and Kuwait and the Saudi Arabia. According to the sales director, the price increased compared to the last year, and the average cost for accommodation in the five-star hotel amounts to $200. Georgian e-commerce platform DressUp.g offers an additional 30% discount to its customers. The new campaign started on July 24, continued until July 30. During this time, an additional 30% discount was applied to one specific most demanded summer products. DressUp.g unites more than 100 brands and offers a total of 3,000 products to the customers. The idea of online store is based on creating original style, free choice, and diversity. Also, the goal of the online store is to sell the original products of the world's famous brands and make it easier for customers to purchase them directly through the website. DressUp.g offers to its customers shipping services, free transportation throughout Georgia, and express delivery, during which the order arrives at the address in 3 hours. Customers have 14 days to exchange or return the product, which can be sent by any shipping company, and the customer will get the money back in 1 or 3 working days. Tbilisi Resort Residence creates a new space in Vake district with an investment of $220 million. The project will be implemented on the territory of the former sports university. The company purchased the land plot with 51 bids through an auction held by the state. The new project of We Are Holding will combine a new sports university equipped with international standards and multifunctional, innovative residential and commercial complexes. We Are Holding deeply hopes that We Are Vake SkyView will become an epicenter of attraction for Tbilisi residents and city visitors, create dozens of jobs, attract foreign investments, and make a significant financial contribution to the country's economy. We Are Holding was founded in 2010 by businessman Noshiko Namoradze. Their first project, Tbilisi Resort Residence, gained great trust with its premium quality among the customers. Airport seats at the departure hall of Tbilisi International Airport have been updated. A new modern seat designed according to the international standards will provide travelers with additional comfort before departure. TAV Georgia, the managing company of Tbilisi and Batumi International Airports, invested $260,000 in the project. Airport seating, produced by a Polish company with many years of experience, is placed in the airports of many countries in the world, including the United Kingdom, Switzerland, Sweden, France, Greece, Norway, Croatia, Lithuania, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Romania, Serbia, Poland, China, India, Saudi Arabia, and etc. TAV Georgia will spend more than $24 million on planned infrastructure works and equipment renewal. This year, $40 million was allocated from the country's budget for a wine marketing campaign within the framework of the promotion program. The funding exceeded by $2 million over the approved budget of the last year. Natenadz, the founder of Natenadz wine Cellar, declares that only marketing campaigns are not enough to establish Georgian wine in the US market. It's necessary to open a wine museum like in France and China. I think that a wine museum should be built like in France and China. As a result, America will see that Georgia is the cradle of wine and has an 8,000-year history of wine, says Natenadz. According to him, Canada, Japan, and China are also interested in Georgian wine, in addition to American market. In the first 5 months of 2023, compared to the same period last year, wine exports to America decreased, totaling 293,000 liters. Bridgestone tire manufacturing company might be built in Georgia in cooperation with Tegeta Motors, as Dmitry Gozalishvili, commercial director at Tegeta Motors, told TV program Forbes Week. Tegeta Motors has been cooperating with the tire manufacturing company Bridgestone since 1998. Now their cooperation is moving to a new stage. We are one of the best representatives of Bridgestone in the region, so we have already negotiated with the brand to take over the entire Caucasus region and Central Asia, he says. Until now, Bridgestone, as well as many other world-class companies, manage the company from the regional offices. In this case, Russia was the country with the largest market, but due to the sanctions, Bridgestone had to sell the Russian factory, and now they are withdrawing from the Russian market. Tegeta Motors sold 40,000 tires in the first half of the year, while the company aims to exceed 100,000 in the sales this year. Company Margebeli Holding exports its products to the USA, Ukraine, Germany, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, and Canada. According to Mikhail Simonishvili, managing partner of Margebeli Holding, Marneuli agriculture products are the leader of the market. As he notes, the company Marneuli allows the country to reduce imports and outflow of USD from the country. The more you create, the more people you employ. Directly or indirectly, you create more state income and leave more money in the country. You will strengthen the national currency further. The more you create and the less you import, the less USD will outflow from the country, says Simonishvili. Company Margebeli Holding is the owner of food product producer Marneuli Food Factory and mineral water enterprise Tzqali Margebeli. Tzqali Margebeli combines up to 10 brands, including Nabeghlavi, Bakhmaro, Rauch, and Buga. Donkey milk producing farm Sakhe-Dari sells over 800-liter milk during the year. As Temur Lomidze, the founder of the farm, explains to BMWG, the business has already overcome the low awareness about the donkey milk, and now the demand is stable. In addition to donkey milk, Sakhe-Dari sells various products made from it, including cosmetic creams and soaps. The founder of farm wishes to bring all these products together in one sales space. However, at this stage, due to the lack of access to finance, he cannot implement this plan. Despite the challenges, Sakhe-Dari is developing, and along with the expansion of the assortment, it also goes outside the country. We have an offer from China. They want to buy 4,000 or 5,000 donkeys per year. We are still holding negotiations, Temur Lomidze said. Donkey milk producing farm Sakhe-Dari opened 7 years ago. 1 liter milk costs 70 lari. Sakhe-Dari farm has 120 donkeys.
The Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.